Good morning, everyone. And I know we were covering different things during this month. And for today's product, it's one of my favorite from the line, which is our pencils and the eyeliners liquids. So that's what we are going to do. Do you know both of them are waterproof makeup? It's been days when I used to forget and remove the eye makeup and go in shower, and then if you see, the liners will be still intact even after you do. So here I have all the liquids. We permanent line carries two of them, black and black brown. So here is black, you can see it's like a pitch black one. We do have a permanent line has a black brown too, but all three are the rest of the three are limited edition. So here I have Starry Sky, which is a black with shimmers to it. All three limited editions are shimmers, and the second one is Ocean, which is our blue liner with shimmers, and the last one is Gilded, which is like a brown shimmer to it. So we have five of the liquid liners which are waterproof and smudge proof, and all of them have a fine tip that comes with it, so it makes it easy to apply. And if you don't want it, if you need it even too thin, you can really wipe it out clean. That way you can make a very thin line based on your preference. And these are like very soft tips, so they are not stiff, so you can apply whichever way you want. And when you are using the shimmers, always make sure, even for the liquid ones, always make sure you shake it a little bit. And for the liners, when you use a liquid and the pencils, you let them sit for a few minutes, then they become even smudge proof all day wear. So that way it's going to be really long lasting, and you don't have to reapply at all. And even for people who are very beginners, this will be really easy. Even if you have never wore eyeliners, whether it's liquid or pencil, these makes it easy for you to transition. I always compare myself, like I was a beginner who never wore both of them, whether it's pencil or liquid, before Sanajan. So whatever you do, just practice it, and you will be able to do with both of them. Here is the size comparison. So these are point, I think, 125 ounce, so that's like almost 3.7 ml. So this is the perfect size. Even if you want to carry, you can easily grab them and go. Here are the pencils. Pencils are my favorite because I always like to do them in the waterline, but you can do on top and as well as in the bottom. And here you have a similar way. I didn't have black brown both in liquid and pencil, but you have permanent line has black brown and brown. So these are our permanent lines, and navy and what's like the gold is limited edition. We do have two of them, which I was so scared to show because I couldn't get it anymore. And those are like my top sellers actually. When they released it, is the green and purple. I have grabbed it for as many people as they can. This is even my last ones. Like, I don't have extras for myself. I didn't stock up because, as I said, I gave away every single one of them for the people who asked for it. So these are like what's like top sellers a while ago. So they all are smudge resistant. I wanted to show so that I don't have anything. And similar way, whether it's pencils, you just need to let them sit for a while, then they become smudge resistant, so that way they don't move. Whether it's liquids or pencils, both of them will stay really nicely. That way you don't have to worry about them budging throughout. And it makes it, even if you're someone who doesn't wear much of eyeshadow and other things, using these eyeliners will make it so good. And also same way, if you do eyeshadows, I always say, until you finish with an eyeliner and mascara, the eye look is never complete. Even you are a person who doesn't wear mascara often, you still, at least if you can finish it with the eyeliner, the look will get enhanced. So in our training, Joni, our CEO, she always says that these are made with the same technique how our Lipsense is made. So they made it long lasting, and they are so easy to apply. That is what I really like about it, because I am all into when it comes to beginner friendly. So here I'm going to look down. If you're a beginner, there are 2-3 ways. If you feel like your hands are shaking, make sure your elbow is supported in a table or something if you want to do, or you can at least keep your pinky closer to for support. For example, if you keep your pinky like this, that will give you a little bit of support. So I have taken the starry sky, that's what I'm going to do on the right. For the left, I will show the pencil, that way you guys can see both. So here I'm going to take it very thin, and you always assume like as if you're start to connect the dots. So that's what you are going to do. So I'm just going to do like small strokes and just bring it all the way down. Do you see? I didn't go all the way from here to here. As I said, I am still a beginner, and if you are like starting new anytime, always give it more practice. That's what it is all about. It's anything and everything comes through practice. Like nobody can achieve what others have done it after years of practice. So you always make sure, do you see the difference? It just enhances the shape of your eyelid. And if you have hooded eye, make sure you do a very thin line. If you are if you have more space, obviously you can do thicker line, but if you are like me, I have a semi hooded eye. You can see when I close it, almost my lid closes it. So don't do too thick, because that will make your eyes smaller. If you want to do a wing liner, you always come to the end and you're going to point towards your end of your eyebrow. So you're going to connect it to your lower lash line and just make it a small wing. Do you see? That's all it is. So here then I will connect the top part to my lash line again. So that's how you are going to make a small wing liner. If you want it to be thicker, you can also start from here and make it thick. I don't want to make it thick today, so I'm leaving it as it is. You can also do the liquid liner on bottom too. Just that you're going to do like very small one. I don't like it to take it to all the way in. I like to keep it always on my outer corner of my eye. So do you see? It's another way of doing the liquid on the bottom. So that's what I did for today. I'm going to let it sit. Meanwhile, we'll go with the pencil on the other side. If you're a beginner and if you feel like you made mistakes, have a Q-tip or any applicator, and you will be able to wipe it across so that you can take away any excess or any mistakes you did. As I said, it's going to give you a few seconds before it sets. That way you can correct it all the time. So I have taken it just a tiny bit, and you can see if you have a bigger eye, you can bring it all the way in, but it was going to close your eyes. So if you have a smaller eye, make sure you just do it on the outer corner. So as I said, black and waterline is one of my favorite. These are so creamy, so it makes it, and literally it glides. So what you do is you don't have to pull too much, but just hold it a little bit, and you can do it very easily. Like these colors will stay for me and all until I remove makeup at the end of night. This is going to stay. When compared to lip sense, eye sense and all last longer, because lip is where you have constant movement, and also you have saliva which is going to break the color. Here you don't have any other disturbances when it comes to the all day wear makeup rest of the places, so that way it is going to stay longer. So let's see how you will do it on top. When you do it on top, what I like to do is I like to pull it a little bit. You don't have to keep it very sharp, and I like to do small strokes again. That way I can connect them, and you can even use a brush. I will show that too. So you can always use a brush. You can see I have brought it halfway down, and you can always take it from here. As I said, since they are creamy, they are going to be easy for you to draw. So this again gives you control. So there are multiple ways for using the same product in SeneGence anytime. So whatever way you are used to, you can always follow that and finish it off. Like I said, if you're someone who doesn't wear mascara and if you want to make your lashes look thicker, the other way to do that is doing it in your top waterline. So what you're going to do, you don't have to pull too hard, just lift it a little bit. I know many people will do like this. I don't get that. So what I do is I like to keep it this way and just gently do it. Do you see? This will make my lashes look thicker, and it's very easy to do in the waterline once you practice. It's not very tough to do, and do it very small places at a time and you will be good to go. So you can see the difference between how I did pencil here whereas I did liquid here. So even I can finish it off with the pencil. You can combine them on any order, like it doesn't have to be one. I always like to do liquid on top and then pencil, and it will just give a overall appearance to the eyes, and eye becomes the focal point. So if you're a beginner, even if you're doing one Shadow Sense color, make sure you finish it off with an eyeliner, as I said. And similar way, you can even do like a smudged liner look if you want like a very simple smoky eye. With the pencil itself, what you're going to do is you will do it outside your lower lash line, like a very thin strokes. And then what you're doing is you're going to take a brush and just gently smudge it along. And with this, you can even do the reversed eyeliner look I did. So what you do is you are just going to extend it as part of your eyes. It's so easy and it's so beginner friendly. So do you see, even one look you can transform it in multiple ways, and it's nothing but practice, and you can pretty much do the same with any of the colors. I think blue, green, or anything, you will be able to achieve this. Just show you how you can use the gold. My favorite way for using the gold is in my inner corner. Anytime when you are doing an eye look, adding this will make the look as if you are like started doing it professionally. You don't need to add a ton, but adding a tiny corner, inner corner for the gold is going to do the trick. If you have warm gold shimmer or any other champagne gold, any of the Shadow Sense colors, you can do the same thing with that. And I'm just going to press it just a tiny bit with my fingers just to give that warmth, and that's it. You can see how easy these eyeliner pencils and eyeliners are. Let me know which is your favorite, whether you are a liquid liner person or a pencil. And the limited edition eyeliners, the three colors I said, they are on sale on the website, and I heard that after January they will be removed. After January means after December 31st, they all will be removed from the website and you cannot order it anymore. I do have few in my hand if you want to grab, and hope you like the video. You all have a wonderful day.